Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix taskbar doesn't hide in full screen mode in Windows 10. So guys, if you have some issues regarding taskbar and you are not able to hide taskbar in full screen mode, so just you need to click on taskbar. So right click on taskbar, then click on task manager. Click on more details. Now in this list you need to find out Windows Explorer, this one. So right click on it, then click on restart. Now close it. That's it. So like this guys, you can fix taskbar doesn't hide in full screen mode in Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.